Hello everyone, welcome to the Bohemian Dreamer and welcome to another unboxing video. So this time I am going to unbox a book box which was sent to me by the 99books.com. More about their business later. First, let's get to the unboxing. So this was the box that was sent by the team, and this box has total of 15 books. All of these are pre-owned books, but they are in very good condition. So let me show the condition of the books and also what are the titles that you can expect if you order this box. First of all, we have this 6 set of bookmarks. All of them have the 99 Books cart logo on them. Next we have some stickers and a thank you note. From here you can see that you can buy as well as sell your pre-loved books here. Now let's get to the books. First one I am going to pick here is The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. I think by now everyone has seen the movie. So this is a romantic story and look at the condition of this book. I would say this is pretty good, almost as good as new. Next we have The Girl on the Train by Paula Hawkins. This one is a little bit yellow on the edges, but overall the book's condition is really good. None of the pages are marked or anything, and none of the pages are torn as far as I can see. Next we have Me Before You by Jojo Moyes. This seems like a romantic book. So this might be a bestseller, but I am not a usual reader of romance, so I won't know about this. But I really want to read this book right now because I like the cover and weirdly I like the smell of the book. Next one we have here is The Savage Garden by Mark Miles. Another pre-loved one. Then we have the legendary Devil Wears Prada. You can see a little bit of blackish mark here on the edges, but nonetheless the book's condition is really good. I mean, it don't matter to me actually if I get the books in a budget rate, and if the book is readable, it don't matter to me. Then we have Grey by E.L. James, which everyone by now knows that it is a sequel for 50 Shades. I already actually have this book, but I would love to keep another copy or maybe donate it to some friend. Next we have The Importance of Being Myrtle by Ulrika Johnson. Forgive me if I am pronouncing anything incorrectly. This book's condition is as good as new. I won't say that this is a second-hand book or anything, although it is, the condition is really good, I have to say that. Then we have Agent 21 Codebreaker by Chris Ryan. You can see a little bit of torn marks here, but please ignore since you are going to get it at really good price. Then we have Mercy by Jodi Picoult. The same drill. Books are really good. Although I see a little bit of torn pages here, I would take really good care of this book and probably I'll mend these pages as well, so that's okay for me. Then we have The Recruit. Then we have The Unlikely Pilgrimage of Harold Fry. Then we have 14th Deadly Sin by James Patterson and Maxine Petro. This book seems really interesting to me. It has really dark and thrilling kind of vibe on it. So maybe I'll start with this one. The next one here is The Number One Ladies Detective Agency by Alexander McCall Smith. Seems like a really small detective story kind of book. Just 2 more books left here. This one is Gone Girl by Gillian Flynn. Again, I think all of us have already seen the movie. If you haven't, you should go ahead and check it. If you love thriller, you would love it. This book also I already own a copy of. So probably I'm going to donate this one to a friend of mine who likes to read as well. The last one here is The Island by Victoria Hislop. This one was a little bent in here if you see. But again, I won't mind for the price of these books. Ew, someone dog-eared the book. I absolutely hate it when someone dog-ears a book. Let me know, what do you think? Dog-ears or bookmarks? So that was all. Done with the box. So the box that you just saw was sent to me by the 99bookscart.com. I will leave their site details in the description box below. Be sure to check it. So let me tell a bit about this box. Is that this box had 15 books of different mixed genre, and this box cost rupees 9.99. That means less than 100 rupees per book, which is a great deal, I would say. Some of the books that I know here are really good. Rest of them I cannot wait to read. So one important aspect of this book box is that you can either buy or sell your books in here. And second of all is that, like, if you want to buy a book, a single book, you can buy it for 99. There is that kind of options are in there. And there are different kind of boxes, like you can buy box for children's, you can buy box for gifting, you can buy box like of mixed genre, like that. Also, you can find new books in their site as well. It's not only old books or second hand books, it's also new books. And even if you are buying second hand books, like I have shown some in here, you will see that those books are in really good condition. Like, you won't be embarrassed or you won't be disappointed when you buy from them. So I really loved the book box, and I would encourage you to buy from their business. It will help them grow locally. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you have any question about this business. I would love to answer it for you. Alright folks, so I think you have enjoyed this video. We will meet in next week. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to click the bell icon when you are subscribing. Stay well and don't forget to dream. Bye.